So how do you create a new case? This is how to do it on the case manager. All you just have to do is come to cases, click on new case, fill in the details, and once you're done, you can pick maybe from a, you can either pick from maybe the old clients or your newer clients as well. Anyone that fits. So for example, let's say the client name is, let me just put random stuff. This is a demo environment, so please ignore that part. Let's do Mundo AI. Okay, let's create a font to, something just pretty random. So let me save the client. Awesome. And once that is, locked in, you can go ahead and see if the case is filed in court or the matter is filed in court. You can go ahead and select filed. Otherwise, you can just put it on no. And when you have the update, you can come back and fix it up. Beyond this, you're able to do team assignments as well. So let's say you want to assign a practice group, or you want to use just maybe members or add members to a practice group as well. You are able to do that. And you can give them a title or whatever role they are supposed to play generally in that case. So let's say maybe role title. Please ignore the English. Role title and save assignment. And once you're done with this, you go ahead and do create case. And that's how to create a case.